Have you ever wondered what exactly is behind the buzzword blockchain and why it's so revolutionary? Well, let's unravel this enigma together. Blockchain, in its simplest form, is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger. Picture a spreadsheet duplicated across a network of computers, updating in real time. That's blockchain for you. This technology is designed to be secure and transparent, making it nearly impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. So why is it considered revolutionary? Because it brings trust in a trustless environment. It enables peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a trusted third party, such as a bank. Now that we know what a blockchain is, let's delve deeper into its working mechanism. To truly appreciate the power of blockchain, we need to understand how it works. A blockchain, as the name suggests, is a chain of blocks. But what does this really mean? Well, each block in this chain contains a bundle of data. This could be information about transactions, like who sent what to whom, or really any data that needs to be recorded and verified. However, it's not just the data that makes a block. Each block also contains a unique identifier called a hash. Think of this like the block's fingerprint. It's unique to each block and changes with every alteration of the block's data. But a block doesn't just carry its own hash, it also carries the hash of the previous block in the chain. This creates a link between blocks, forming the chain in blockchain. If anyone tries to alter the data in a block, its hash changes, breaking the chain. This is what makes blockchain so secure. To change one block, you'd have to change every single block that comes after it, a feat that's practically impossible. So, how do new blocks get added to the chain? This is where the process of mining comes in. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve a puzzle gets to add a new block to the blockchain. This process not only makes it difficult to add false blocks to the chain, but also rewards miners with cryptocurrency, incentivizing them to keep the network secure and operational. While the process may seem complex, the principle is simple. Blockchain is a decentralized, secure way of recording data. It's a system where trust is built not on a central authority, but on the unchangeable, transparent nature of the technology itself. And the best part? Once data is added to a blockchain, it's there forever, providing a permanent, unalterable record. So now we have a basic understanding of how blockchains work, but why does it matter? Why is there so much hype around blockchain technology, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in its unique features that set it apart from traditional technologies. First off, blockchain is decentralized. This means there is no central authority or middleman controlling the network. Transactions are validated by a community of users, making it a democratic system of sorts. This decentralization provides a level of freedom and control that is not seen in traditional systems. It allows for peer-to-peer transactions to occur regardless of geographical location or time zone, without the need for third-party intermediaries. Next, we have transparency. Every transaction on a blockchain is publicly visible to all users of the network. This open visibility promotes accountability and trust among users. You can't just make a change without everyone else seeing it. It's like having a digital ledger that's open for everyone to see, but no one can tamper with. Then there's the security aspect. Blockchain uses complex cryptography to secure transactions and data, making it incredibly difficult for hackers to infiltrate. Each block in the chain contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. This makes the blockchain immutable or unchangeable, adding another layer of security. So why does this matter? It's simple. These features make blockchain a versatile technology that can be applied in various industries beyond just cryptocurrencies. Think about the possibilities in industries where transparency, security, and decentralization could be revolutionary. Healthcare, supply chain, finance, and even voting systems could greatly benefit from this technology. Imagine a world where your medical records are stored on a secure, transparent blockchain network that only you have access to. Or a supply chain where the journey of a product from manufacturer to consumer is completely transparent. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface. It's clear that blockchain has a lot to offer, but what are some real-world applications of this technology? Stay tuned to find out. Blockchain technology isn't just for Bitcoin. It has some fascinating uses across various industries. Let's delve into a few examples to illustrate the broad potential of blockchain. Firstly, consider supply chain tracking. In the world of logistics, transparency and traceability are paramount. Blockchain technology can offer a decentralized, immutable record of each product's journey from raw material to end consumer. This means no more lost shipments, no more counterfeit goods, and a more efficient supply chain overall. It's a win-win situation for both businesses and consumers. Now, let's think about voting systems. Traditional voting methods can be susceptible to fraud, manipulation, or simply human error. But with blockchain, every vote could be securely and transparently recorded on a decentralized ledger. This could revolutionize the way we conduct elections, making them more secure, efficient, and trustworthy. Another intriguing application is in digital identity verification. In our increasingly digital world, identity theft is a growing concern. Blockchain could provide a solution by creating a secure, tamper-proof system for verifying identities. Imagine a world where your identity could be confirmed in seconds, without the need for physical documents or third-party verification. That's the power of blockchain. Beyond these examples, blockchain is making waves in sectors as diverse as real estate, healthcare, and even the music industry. In real estate, it's streamlining property transactions. In healthcare, it's securing patient data and improving the accuracy of diagnoses. And in the music industry, it's ensuring artists get paid fairly for their work. These are just a few examples of how blockchain is shaping our world, but what does the future hold for this technology? As we look to the future, the potential of blockchain technology is seemingly limitless. Imagine a world where every patient's medical history is securely stored on a blockchain. No more misplaced files or missing test results. Everything is in one secure, accessible place. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of healthcare with blockchain technology. Healthcare providers could have immediate access to your entire medical history, making it easier to provide personalized care and avoid potential medical errors. But it's not just in healthcare where blockchain could revolutionize our lives. Consider the energy sector, where blockchain could enable peer-to-peer energy trading. Think about a world where excess solar power generated by your house could be sold directly to your neighbor with no need for a middleman. This is the kind of decentralized energy market that blockchain could facilitate. The potential applications of blockchain technology stretch far beyond what we've discussed. It's a technology that could disrupt traditional industries and create new ways of doing business. We're just starting to scratch the surface of what's possible. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Like any technology, blockchain is not without its challenges. Scalability is one of the biggest hurdles blockchain technology needs to overcome. As the number of transactions on a blockchain increases, so does the size of the blockchain, which can lead to performance and storage issues. Security is another concern. While blockchain is inherently more secure than traditional databases due to its decentralized nature, it's not completely immune to hacking. As the technology evolves, so too do the techniques employed by cybercriminals. And let's not forget the regulatory challenges. As blockchain technology becomes more mainstream, it's likely to attract more regulatory scrutiny. This could potentially impact the adoption and growth of the technology. While the future of blockchain is exciting, it's important to also understand the challenges this technology faces. The journey ahead is filled with both opportunities and obstacles. But one thing's for sure, blockchain technology is here to stay, and its impact on our world is just beginning to be felt. Like any technology, blockchain isn't without its challenges. In the world of blockchain, scalability is a major hurdle. As the network grows, the number of transactions it can handle per second becomes a critical concern. Another challenge lies in its energy consumption. Mining a single Bitcoin, for instance, can consume as much energy as an average American household does in a week. Lastly, there are regulatory concerns. As blockchain straddles the line between technology and finance, it often finds itself in a regulatory gray area, making compliance tricky. In this video, we've explored the fundamentals of blockchain, its working mechanism, and its significance. We have also delved into its wide-ranging applications and speculated on its future potential. Despite these challenges, the potential of blockchain is vast, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of its possibilities. So keep an eye on this space.